First of all, welcome to everybody. This is our wonderland, our place of work, and our place that we have a lot of fun. So hopefully we're able to share a little bit of that with you tonight. You see our building here, we've got our own test track, you can see Tamer hut, the R&D department, the amount of work and things that we roll out. We're very proud that, I think the last 4 AAA shows we've won the Innovation Award, but that means nothing if no one knows that these solutions exist. So our marketing department is very conscious of this, and that comes down to the brief that we give our creative people when we are doing any type of marketing.
It's fresh, it's new, and the concept behind this type of content is that you're not watching an ad. You're literally watching a movie, and that's what we want to present to you today, which is the Dust Up Fast Parts 2.
Goes that way.
So the final part of the night, if you don't mind, Jono, if you can come up here on stage with Matt, and we're going to have a short Q&A.
We do everything one step at a time. So all of the sound is recorded as a completely separate element. We don't, we don't record all the sound at the same time. If you listen to the sound that comes from the camera when you're looking at, one of those car-to-car shots, it's just wind noise. It's just that's what it sounds like. So we have to record all the sound separately in a really clean way and then lay it all in.
So where we filmed this is actually where a race series called Ultra 4 Australia is races. So it's filmed at Cherrabar Resort, and we get up there regularly as an Ultra 4 race crew, and we build tracks and we build resources so that we can go racing on them. And up now we've got well in excess of 20 k's of track that we race on. The beauty of camera is you can make things look a lot more dramatic than it realistically is. So even the fastest we did on those in the high speed sections of making Dust Up, we were probably hitting about 80 to 90 kilometres an hour in a very controlled, repeated way. Some of the action stunts, the way we would build them is we would literally do them at about 10 k's an hour with the multi-vehicle action, and we would just walk it through, and we would do that 3 or 4 times at that sort of speed, and then we would build it up a step and go, okay, we're going to go up to 40 k's an hour. And by the time we get to doing it at the speed we're looking for, everybody knows exactly how the stunt has been choreographed. So that's how we try to address that, because at the end of the day we do need to be environmentally sensitive and respectful for others' differing opinions.
But thank you very much for sharing this special time with us. The bar's going to be open for another half an hour, so please enjoy your drink and get home safely, and thanks very much.